A-Level Maths Christmas Revision, Day 15. So let's get started then with Day 15 here, where we have a question on the binomial distribution. As always, what I'd recommend here is that you pause the video and have a quick look at the question before we work through the solution together. So let's have a look then at the solution here. So for this question, as we can see here, right, we have the discrete random variable x, which follows a binomial distribution. N is equal to 20 and p is equal to 0.2. The question then asks us to find the following three probabilities here. So just as we saw with day 7 for the normal distribution, all we need to do here is use our calculator. So we start by going into the stats mode on our calculator. We then press distribution. Obviously, we want the binomial distribution. And then we either want BPD or BCD, and it's dependent on the probability that we want to find. So for example here, right, for part A, this probability here is a cumulative probability, so we need BCD, okay? So if I do this here as I work through the question with you, so BCD, it asks for a few different things here. So it asks for the data type, so obviously we have a variable. It asks for the value of x, which in this case is 5. It asks for the number of trials, which we're given here is 20. It also asks for the value of p, which is 0.2. Input those values and press enter, and hopefully here you obtain 0.804 to 3 significant figures. Moving on to part B now. So it wants us to find the probability that x is equal to 3. So we do need to be slightly careful here. In this case, we need BPD. Okay. So we go to BPD here. So the value of x changes to 3. So we get 3 there. The number of trials in p will stay as 20 and 0.2 respectively. Press enter, and hopefully here what you obtain then is 0.20523 significant figures. And then finally here for the very last part, then part C, we want to find the probability that x is strictly greater than 2. So this here then is the same as 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 1. So we do need to be slightly careful here. So input this then into your calculator, right? So again, it's going to be BCD. We have a cumulative probability. So you do 1 minus that then, so x is equal to 1. N equals 20 again, and p equals 0.2. I get 0.06917529. So obviously I do 1 minus that. And if you do that correctly, then you get 0.931 there, 3 significant figures. Okay. So there we have it. That gives the solution there to day 15. And if you're looking for even more A-Level Maths revision, be sure to visit our website over at AJMaths.co.uk.